while. I promise I have been trying to actually film some videos. I've got about 5 intros going. I have a pending Anglia feature in the background. I should have had some more skyline updates, but the important thing is we are in it today. I am still absolutely loving it. We have done about 700 of the 1,000 miles needed before I can get it back to RB Motorsport for some mapping. I have tried to get out and about here and there. Some of you might have seen it at a couple of these shows, but unfortunately I've been unable to film. Now what I actually have with us today, guys, so changing the 5th gear, is a diagnostic computer. I don't know what I'm doing really, but we are away to meet my dad in the Anglia, and without doing the full video release on it, I might just show you some data logging on it. There's just one small teething issue we're trying to iron out before I release the full feature on it, which I promise is going to be good, and then it will hopefully be a track, maybe with this if the mapping lines up in time. But anyway guys, today we are heading to Showcase Cinema. It's the Lanarkshire Classic Car Club monthly meet, always a good one. I've never been to the new venue. I've not actually had my car at one of these, I don't think, ever, which is unbelievable, so looking forward to it. I'm going to go tie in with my dad and I will see you down there. Quick deal station stop guys, wait for petrol next, then the show. Good to see these two back guys. Whew. Big changes here. Also map incoming. Guys, what a wee corner we've got here. Sierra Cosworth, Dodge Viper, Evo, Volvo, and us too. Lovely. Another guy doing it for the gyre edges here. Oh, look at that. Turboed. VR6. So that is major cool points. This has got to be fast guys. Bike engine, absolutely no weight whatsoever. Get a wee Fiesta here as well. Another clean one. This is cool, old school drag car. Good cage and stuff hiding in there.
That's been on. Ends itself.
Bucket seats just about fitting in. How nice are these guys? These BMs guys. Wow. Very nice. Both of them suit the Amber so well. Lovely. I will obviously want an update coming, guys, but how good is it to have the two cars back out? Sneak peek into some of the work that's happened under here. Plenty more on the inside as well. Delighted to see them back. Also, guys, thanks for the nice comments on the car so far. Is that BMW? Is this not good? Is this a V6, this one? Am I thinking a different one? How cool have these got, guys? Classic Imprezas. Do love these wheels as well.
I know.
Old Compa Motors. Look at the comfort you're talking in the M5. Whew. So subtle now, isn't it?
No way.
Yep, ruined Crail for us always, guys. Damn that cat. Is it? Clean under there anyway.
It's clean, isn't it?
I'll take that. I'm going to drive the I'm going to show her
These are a bit of a classic as well, the Renaults.
Aye. I'll tell you on the back what
Ah, close. I said 19. 21 it is. Cosworth 4 before. Lovely. I think Key Reggie must have been one of the last ones, eh?
Aye, still must have been.
Ah, 56, lovely. Lovely, lovely. Lovely Martin Escort here, guys. Lanarkshire Car Club, great show once again. I'm still going to try and film another couple of cars, but brilliant. Good reception for the Anglia and the Skyline. Good to have them back out. And I think, guys, we're now maybe going to sneak away and do some diagnostics. Whether we put this in the same video or put it in another, we'll see shortly. But either way, guys, thanks for watching, and thanks again for arranging Lanarkshire Car Club. See you next time. Show done, tools back out. Right, good to go. Right, so logging now, alright?
Is that just following you?
Yeah.
One bit of beans somewhere.
Wee bonus one here, guys. We're just doing a wee bit of data logging on the Anglia, so I think we've got an injector issue, to be honest, and that's what's preventing the full feature. So follow me now. We've got the computer plugged in, we've swapped some injectors, some coil packs, plugs around a wee bit to try and identify the problem. So we're going to do a data log and I'll give you guys an update with how we go.